Hello people, this is Swapnil. Today I am back with a new topic, that is what to learn from industrial visits. We know that in our college days we have industrial visits, be it any streams of studies like commerce, management, law or engineering. The purpose of the visit remains the same. What changes is the place or the process that is being shown in the visit. Like if you are a law student, then you are being taken to High Court or Supreme Court. If you are a commerce or a management student, then you are being taken to any factory or industry where they show you how a particular product is being made. Though many of the students feel that industrial visits means a picnic. Like in school days, we used to have a yearly picnic. Here in college, we have the industrial visit. See, friends, it is obvious that whenever we get a chance of spending quality time with our friends, that too for a couple of days, we will definitely enjoy those days. And actually, those days can be a memorable ones for all of us. But along with the enjoyment in the industrial visit, I feel that there is something that every student can learn from that industrial visit. This is the topic that I am going to be discussing today. You may not have to take a book and keep writing what have you learned during your visits, but what I'm suggesting you is to just observe the things around you and have those experiences with you. That time you may not understand the importance of these things, but eventually, whenever you get into industry for work, at that time, along with the knowledge, what else or what other thing which you require is the skills. Those skills you can learn in the industrial visits. Let's categorize the factors that can be learned during the visit in three parts, starting with the journey of the visit. Guys, you know that in your industrial visit, you would be traveling along with many of the students like you. Here you get an opportunity to interact with the other students and which can improve your networking skills. During the time of journey, it happens that people start sharing about their personal lives, their ambitions, their goals in life, their likings and such other things. Observing others and also sharing your views at that time may be helpful for you. Not maybe actually at that time, but maybe for your future. For example, if you want to get into business in a particular industry, and if you remember that someone during a random talk in the industrial visit said that he or she was also interested in the same thing, then you may get into touch with that person and you all can start something as a business. So here what you can do is to network with the people around you and improve your networking skills. Then another important skill that you can learn during your industrial visit is the basic principles of management, or in other words, we can call it as management skills. In your visit, you will have a tour manager who would be responsible for managing your tour. What you should observe here is how he is managing the tour, be it with the accommodation, food, traveling, or the entire time management. Managing the group of people is not actually very easy. So, what is the agency or the tour manager actually doing is the point of observation here. Along with the tour manager, you will also have a class representative of your class. See how he is coordinating with the tour manager. Another important point to consider here is the actual place of your industrial visit. If you are being taken to any production industry or factory, then see the actual process of how a product is being made. See how raw material is passing through the various stages and finally it is getting converted into finished goods. See what are the precautionary measures that are being adopted by that production industry. Observe what are the risk management measures. Then you can also see how planning, organizing, staffing, coordinating and controlling is being done there. You can also observe the hierarchy of the process or the management. You can see workers, then the junior supervisor, then the main supervisor, then manager, and the hierarchy goes on. See actually what everyone is doing there. See how the manager is getting things done through others. You may get briefed by someone from the industry about that particular process. Ask that or ask that concerned person your doubts. Remember that you may not always get the chance to see the real-time factory production or the chance of interaction with the concerned persons. Here, what you can learn is the management skills, which are very important in every industry. Another important point to learn here is the time management skills, because there you have to stick to the itinerary and you will have to be at the spot at the time allotted so that everyone can leave the place at the right time. So here we also understand the importance of time. There are n number of things that one can learn. Always remember that experience is the best teacher. So guys, no doubt that you have to enjoy the industrial visit, make good memories, but don't forget to learn something from it for your future life also. Because the principle remains the same, just the role changes. That CR may get replaced with team leader in corporates. The role of tour manager gets shifted to someone as a manager in the corporates. So you will have to be in that shoes one or the other day. So think it from that perspective, and along with the enjoyment, you just have to observe few things that we have just discussed right now, so that you could implement those things in your employment as well as in your business life. So guys, thank you so much for listening and stay connected for the next update.